Aromatherapy brings a wonderful dimension to the AromaYIN practice. Essential oils are the fastest way to raise your vibration just through inhalation. When holding the bottle, ensure that it is not tilting too much so the oil might spill on the student's face. Hold it close to the nose while the student inhales 3 times slowly, and the other hand can be placed on the top of the head to help ground the student. Now let's see it in a different position. After we make our physical adjustments, ask the student to turn their head to the side and then placing the other hand on the back of their head. 3 slow breaths, and then invite them to turn their head back. In each pose, we have the opportunity to breathe in a vibrational frequency that grounds us or uplifts us through the inhalation of a specific essential oil. In this training, you will learn which essential oil is ideal for which chakra, and which oil stimulates that chakra and what calms it. Great work!